Hello everybody, welcome back to another video tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you and explaining something called responsive and adaptive websites. So the way it used to be with websites is you basically only designed one size that fit most monitors. You just had a nice little like width set, and then that was just because everyone was using computer monitors. But nowadays you have people using your website from all kinds of browsers. You have tablets, phones, laptops. No, there's no telling what size is going to be using your website. And so what you want to do is have a website that basically responds to the size of your web page, as you can see that I just did. So this is what happens when I zoom in enough without a media query. As you can see, um, everything's crammed together. I can't reach the nav bar fully. So what we need to do is add something called a media query. So how we add a media query is at the bottom or somewhere in your CSS, we would basically do @media, and then parentheses, and we'll do max width. And then we'll add, right now our current width of our container is 525 at the top. And what if we wanted to basically keep a little bit of this border here? What we would do is, let's just say at 600 pixels we're going to line, or we're gonna have some new CSS rules. So you just curly brackets that, and here you'll write basically just new code. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to select the container again, and as you can see up here, I already selected the container once, but we're gonna set a new width for when we hit that 600 pixel. So let's go ahead and do width, and we'll do 400 pixels, and that will be the new size of our website. As you can see, we're zooming in, we hit that, oh, you see that right there? We basically hit that 600 pixel width right here, and our website resized. And I could set this a little bit lower, let's say 350, just to make it, look a little mobile adaptive. Why isn't it resizing? Oh, I have to actually resize from the website. There you go. And so obviously we're only going to do one today, but you could set multiple on your site. So as you can see here, there's still some things that actually this looks pretty good. So let's go ahead and go down even further. Let's say 200 pixels, and this will trigger at 550. All right, let me just go ahead and open that back up, refresh the page, and there you go. All right, so now as you can see, there are some styling issues that we have. This is a very small website, very narrow website, so there's several things we're going to need to change in here. So let's get started. First thing we need to do is this header one is way too large. So all we need to do is set specific rules only for that one. We don't have to bring all our code back down. So we'll do header one, we'll do font size. Let's go with 32 pixels. Whoops. 32 pixels. Refresh. Now you can see that's a little small. Let's go with 48. All right, that's a little better. I'm actually gonna set this up. I'm not liking this super skinny. That's too skinny even for like a mobile site. All right, there we go. That looks pretty good. All right, another thing that we may want to change is up here our nav bar. So what we would do is take this main header, drop that in here. Let me push that up. So if you remember before, our main header was a little bit bigger than our other header, so we'll do 275. Save that. All right, that looks good. And as you can see, the links are still very big, so we're gonna actually do nav a font size 16 pixels. All right, perfect. That looks pretty good to me. I'm not sure about you guys, what you guys think, but that's a pretty good start to a responsive website. So as you're zooming down, you know, you get to that smaller website. There it is. Awesome. That looks good to me. All right, and what we could do next, if we really wanted to, is we could add, say, like an intermediate width of, say, or like an even smaller width. Say the width of the website was 250 pixels, and we wanted this to be 150. Let's see. So we have our first one thing, and then, well, I can't actually resize, so I'm just gonna ignore that for now. All right, well, that's it for now. Stay tuned for more tutorials. Please like, follow, comment, subscribe in the box below. Share with your friends. Let them know that they too can be web developers. And stay tuned for a video where I show you another cool effect that you can do when you transition. All right, thanks for tuning in. Bye.